YouTube. As you know, this is my 2000 Mercury Marquis. Just put a cold air intake on it. And one thing the cold air intake didn't have was a heat shield. Well, I got one. This came off my old Mercury. And let's see if it'll fit. You can see here, all I gotta do is remove the clamp here, take the filter off, slide the heat shield on, put the filter back on behind it, and clap it back on. Hopefully I have enough room to put it on there. Now let's see how it looks. Found out that the hole here is smaller than the larger tubing on this intake. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to open this hole up a little bit so I can slide it on here. So let me just open this up real quick. Let me use a little file and take some of that material off. And there it is. It fits. I just had to open the hole up a little bit. Now I'm just going to get a little, later on, I'm going to get a little weather stripping and run along the top right here so it can seal against the hood. But it turned out pretty good. Like I said, this is one of the parts that I wish this intake would have came with. It was a heat shield, this simple plastic thing right there. But I got it on there, and that's all that matters. Until next video, I'll see you.